Hello, my name is Alex Solo. This is my third video, and we're doing a market recap today. The most bullish thing on the menu is this little bounce target right here at roughly 18% Ethereum Dominance. We have this little breakout, this retest of the bottom back to a breakout, and we should be able to bounce on this next attempt. Hopefully get above this purple line and to maybe our 19.2 T target. Hopefully that'll happen before our next drop back down to one of these other levels. This has been a target as long as this has been a Gartley / down wedge. So that's since the beginning of September, and we finally kind of broke that downtrend yesterday, or 2 days ago now yesterday. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Its indicators. I use Viper, linear regression, rough regression, auto pitch fan, and I like this one too, this golden cross strategy. Let's get a lower time frame, see if the golden cross is turning green, which it is. So the 50 is crossing the 200 on the 1 hour time frame. We kind of squeezed up this. Lots of decent volume. We're probably going to bounce on here. We're doing a breakout retest on up channel. Well, actually, after breaking out at the bottom first, you already got your W going, so you can easily, hopefully, hit to 45,000 soon from here. We really need to from this type of movement, and if we don't hit 45, we're going to drop this channel again, most likely. But I do see a 45 target up here. Let's confirm that on the 4 hour. Yeah, you do see that 45 target up there. Let's get the 2 hour. Yeah, I can squeeze up that. Should pinch through this up. Let's look at Ethereum. We can take a look at the 15-minute. It is saying to long it. The other indicator is saying not. These lower time frames, you can see it swapping quite often. Here's kind of the formation of the channel. Probably won't drop out on the first main bounce, so we still got some time there. Yeah, it's going to keep getting a lot of resistance here, and it should be able to bounce. I don't think it's going to go all the way down to here, but if it does, it'll be sideways for a little bit today before we get back up, because this will be a drop out of the channel. Ethereum Dominance, and you can still be pretty bullish. Bitcoin Dominance is just really rising for the last 12 hours. You know, we got cycles, but we're at a higher high. It's really, it's kind of bearish, right? But somehow Bitcoin was really rising during the last 12 hours too. Not necessarily here, I guess. But if you look at Ethereum Dominance, it's been dropping, and Ethereum has also. ADA was a little bit backwards yesterday. When you see it really pop, or here's the ADA Dominance pop, and here's the ADA Dominance, or the ADA USD drop. So it's important to pay attention which coins are moving with their dominance changes. Bitcoin's went up as it went down. Ethereum's went down as it went down. And ADA's dominance went up while ADA went down. I like looking at ADA. It helps us kind of know where the money's flowing from Bitcoin and Ethereum. You do see it's below this channel down here, so the money's going to have to flow back pretty quickly to get back to it. It did drop this fib line. It's going to get back up. It is kind of boring. Can't really do too well on these. You already got the W formed. You already have the bounce, so it'll probably squeeze down a little bit. And if ADA squeezes down, then you know, a lot of things can go down. We didn't hit our 1.9 target yet, so that could happen today, but we are above 1.9 trillion. Trying to see this pattern forming here. There's kind of a pretty rapid spike off the bounce. One, two, three, four, five. A, B, C. Yeah, this could be the start of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. You know, somewhere in this range. That'd be a nice breakout. It'd be one we've been waiting for a while. Yeah, this is bullish USDT B drop. We want to see this not really squeeze up. We want to see this volume get chopped away and then drop down here. This volume up here is pretty flat, so it looks pretty cliffy, I guess. It's the 2 hour of this fish call where I said it'd get into its mouth, and then it had this other path that was going to follow for a bit. Almost made it back into the mouth, but really testing these M bumps here, which USDT kind of needs to drop to get to bullish territory. You know, you might get bullish for like the next week. If you get down to here, that'd be pretty good. You know, how long have we been following these M bumps? And through the beginning of September here, we kind of see these candles following it pretty well. I think that's it for the morning recap. You know, what are we watching? You know, a little bit of everything. Everything's pretty low. XTZ is probably low. GRT is probably low. Comp, I would say, is really low. Just look at comp. We're on the 2 hour chart. We already got our drop from 330 to 300. So, you know, lots of 10% drops going on here. Just had another one yesterday. We're going a little bit lower, but when I see this huge drop first, it'll probably be like this. I'm going to take another stab at this one. The jigsaw. Let's make it a little more visible. Yeah, 10% would be nice, and then a breakout would be even nicer, and then crossing 380, because we already tried twice. 370 would be really solid sometime this month, and if we bounce off it again, probably get some lower lows. So we do want to cross 20% threshold on comp. That's it for now.